5 Best Dashcam on Aliexpress. 5. Mayfeng Dashcam. Brand, Mayfeng. Super small volume, direct stick on the cars will not block line of sight, video registrator. 1080p ultra-wide-angle lens, perfect combination design, more convenient on various occasions, a multi-angle, high-resolution video shooting. Built-in sensor, 1/3 inch low noise degree is high quality, in the dark places to capture the ultra-clear picture. Built-in lithium electricity charge while video function. Built-in microphone, speaker. Support high-capacity micro TF card. 4. Viofo A1 Dashcam. Brand, Viofo. 1080p Full HD resolution. 140-degree high resolution wide-angle lens. The advanced photography compression technology. 2.4-inch high-resolution LCD, can watch while shooting. Night vision function. Support HDMI Full HD video transmission. Seamless loop, cycle recording function. Motion detection function. 3. EAS Dashcam. Brand, EAS. Screen size: 4.0-inch IPS screen display. Camera resolution: front camera, 1080p 25 fps, inside camera: 3.0 MP, 480p 25 fps, back camera, 3.0 MP. Camera view angle: front camera, 170 degree, inside camera: 120 degree, back camera: 140 degree. Camera aperture, f2.0 large aperture. Functions: G sensor, digital zoom, motion detection, cycle recording, time and data display, with rear view mirror, wide dynamic range, LED light. 2. Xiaomi Dashcam Pro. Brand, Xiaomi. 70mm Dashcam Pro. A dashcam with customizable mods to protect your car and, more importantly, to guarantee your safety. 1080p video recording. With super high-resolution road movies anytime and anywhere, capturing details of your travel routes clear as the film, screenshot, not missing any wonderfulness during the journey. 24-hour monitor, always-on protection of car. 1. Johnson S590 Dashcam. Brand, Johnson. 4K resolution. Distinguished from other 1080p Dashcam, our car DVR provides a video resolution high up to 2160p 24 fps. Cooperate 170 wide angle and f1.8 large aperture, ensure less blind spots, achieve the best image quality. GPS trackers, with ability to fix the direction, speed and coordinates of the movement to the video recording, and can be viewed by video player in computer. Buy now. Click the link in the description below.